I was asked what is the most misunderstood and confusing part of an insurance policy, I would immediately tell you coinsurance. Hi, I'm Russ Wilson. I'm a licensed public insurance adjuster with Suncoast Claims here in Bedford, Texas. Many, and almost all commercial property policies have something called coinsurance clause on them, and even some homeowners do. And most folks, the policyholders and even some of the contractors and frankly, even some of the insurance agents don't really understand how it applies. And it's pretty simple. The coinsurance clause forces the policyholder to not underinsure their property. Otherwise, they'll be penalized if they have a claim. And I'll give you an example. Let's say here, you've got a building and it's actually valued at $1 million, but the owner only insures it for $500,000, and his policy has an 80-20 coinsurance clause. Now there's I've seen 90-10, I've seen 100%. 80-20 is the most common. So what does that mean? Let's say they have a loss, it's a partial loss, say a roof claim, and it's determined that the claim is valued at $300,000, but he underinsured his property. So now the coinsurance clause kicks in. So here's how it works, and here's the formula. The insurance company will say, well, your building is actually valued at $1 million. You have to insure for at least 80% of that million, otherwise coinsurance applies. That's what the 80-20 means. And so in this case, that means he would have had insured for at least $800,000 before the penalty would apply. And now, because he only insured for $500,000, you take the $500,000 he actually insured it for, the $800,000, which was the bare minimum, you get a factor 0.625. So what happens to that claim? The $300,000 times 0.625, he only gets $187,500. That's $112,500 hit. It happens too often because business owners think either one, hey, if I underinsure my property, I'll get a better premium, or they don't think that the building's never going to burn to the ground. That's not the issue here. These partial claims get hit big time for this coinsurance. So what do? First, make sure you get with your broker and don't underinsure your property. Have them do a cost evaluation. Make sure it's insured properly. And if your broker doesn't give you the answers you're looking for, call us here at Suncoast. We're policy experts. We'd be happy to give you a policy evaluation free of charge. I hope this helps and clears up one of the greatest misconceptions in the insurance business.